Hello YouTube, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Share and Knowledge video tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to repair and restore Windows 11 from Advanced Startup. Windows Restore is the another useful way to repair Windows 10 or 11 using in the Advanced Startup options. Using Windows Restore, you can revert to when your Windows was working without any problem. However, to continue with this method, you need to have created a restore point earlier. If you have not created a restore point earlier, this method does not work for you. If you have created a restore point and you want to restore your PC, then you can follow these steps. Okay. First of all, you need to access the Advanced Startup options. You have 3 ways for this. Okay, let's start. Firstly, restart your PC or laptop, then quickly press escape key with restart. It will show you a list of options associated with different keys. Then press F11 key to access the advanced system recovery options. Secondly, if you can access the sign-in screen of Windows, then on the sign-in screen click on the power icon. Hold down the shift key when you click on the power button in the bottom right corner of the Windows login screen, and while holding the key till select restart option. This will open advanced system recovery options. Okay. Third one, if you have bootable flash drive or DVD, insert on your PC and then press enter to run the boot disk. Then you will see the installation window. Then click on next button. Here you will see the link repair your computer. Click on it. It will open advanced system recovery options. Okay. Now in the advanced startup recovery options, select the troubleshoot option and then choose advanced options. In the advanced options, choose system restore. Then you will see this kind of window, restore system files and settings. Click on next. Then you will have to select the restore point to which you want to revert back to. After selecting the restore point, click on next. You can see this link scan for the affected program. This will show you what program will be added to your system or what program will be removed. If you want, you can do it as you wish. Click on finish. Then you will receive warning message. Then click on yes. This process will restore and reboot your PC. After for a while, once the process is completed, click on restart. This will reboot your PC. You are done. Next, let's see how to create a system restore point in Windows 11. Let's start. Open the search box by pressing Windows logo key plus Q. On the search field, type create a restore point and then choose create a restore point from the search results. It will show you system protection tab on the system properties. Now under the protection settings, select the drive in which you want to create the restore point and then click on configure. On the next window that appears, select the turn on system protection toggle and then click on apply and click on OK. After that, Windows 11 will create a restore point automatically whenever you try making some changes to Windows. This method will create a system restore point automatically. However, whenever you are making any wrong settings might cause the system to malfunction and crash. Then if you have a created system restore point manually, this will help you undo all the system changes that happen to your PC. If you want to create a system restore point manually, then you can follow these steps. Okay. Now under protection settings, select the drive in which you want to create the restore point and then click on create. Now create a new restore point and name it as you wish. Now I'm choosing the name restore and then click on create. After for a while, you will see a message, the restore point was created successfully. Then click on OK. Now whenever you are making any wrong settings, then you can restore your system using the restore point you created. That's it. You are done. Next, let's see how to restore Windows 11 system from desktop. On the system protection tab, here you will see the system restore button. Click on it. Then you will see this kind of window, restore system files and settings. Click on next. Then you will have to select the restore point to which you want to revert back to. After selecting the restore point, click on next. You can see this link scan for the affected program. This will show you what program will be added to your system or what program will be removed. If you want, you can do it as you wish. Click on finish. Then you will receive warning message. Then click on yes. This process will restore and reboot your PC. After for a while, once the process is completed, this will reboot your PC. You are done. I hope this video helped for you. Thanks for watching and supporting. If you have any issues, so please let me know in the comment section below. Your contribution is more confidence. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more useful videos. Once again, thanks for watching and supporting. See you next video. Bye. Take care.